Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and the President of France, Mr. Emmanuel Macron, jointly addressed the 14th India France CEOs Forum today in Paris. The forum brought together CEOs from diverse groups of companies from both sides, focusing on sectors like defense, aerospace, critical and emerging technologies, infrastructure, advanced manufacturing, artificial intelligence, life sciences, wellness and lifestyle, and food and hospitality. Prime Minister in his address noted the expanding India-France business and economic collaboration and the impetus it has provided to the strategic partnership between the two countries. He highlighted India's attractiveness as a favored global investment destination based on its stable polity and predictable policy ecosystem. Talking of the reforms announced in the recent budget, PM noted that the insurance sector was now open for 100% FDI and civil nuclear energy sector for private participation with focus on SMR and AMR technologies. Customs rate structure was rationalized and simplified income tax code was being brought in order to enhance ease of living. Referring to government's commitment to continue ushering in reforms, he noted that a high-level committee for regulatory reforms has been constituted to establish trust-based economic governance. In the same spirit, more than 40,000 compliances had been rationalized in the last few years. Prime Minister invited French companies to look at the immense opportunities offered by the India growth story in the defense, energy, highway, civil aviation, space, healthcare, fintech, and sustainable development sectors, underlining global appreciation and interest in India's skills, talent, and innovation, and in its newly launched AI, semiconductor, quantum, critical minerals, and hydrogen missions. He called upon the French enterprises to partner India for mutual growth and prosperity. He outlined the importance of active engagement in these sectors, reaffirming the commitment of both nations to fostering innovation, investment, and technology driven partnerships.